Istikhara in Islam, how to pray and its benefits. What is istikhara? Istikhara comes from the Arabic root word khair, which means goodness. Istikhara means to seek guidance from Allah when faced with a decision, especially when you are unsure which path is better. How to pray istikhara? Prerequisites. Make wudu ablution. Have a pure intention, niyat, to seek Allah's guidance. Steps of istikhara. Pray 2 rakat nafal salah, non-obligatory prayer. In each rakah, recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another surah, for example, Surah Al-Ikhlas. After finishing the prayer, recite the istikhara dua. Scroll istikhara dua in Arabic. Translation of istikhara dua. O Allah, I seek guidance from your knowledge. And I seek ability from your power. And I ask you from your great bounty. For you have power, and I have none. And you know, and I know not. You are the knower of hidden things. O Allah, if you know that this matter, mention your concern, is good for me in my religion, my livelihood, and the outcome of my affairs. Then ordain it for me, make it easy for me, and bless it for me. But if you know that this matter is bad for me in my religion, my livelihood, and the outcome of my affairs, then turn it away from me, and turn me away from it. And ordain for me what is good wherever it may be, and make me pleased with it. What happens after istikhara? You don't need to see a dream. Look for what Allah makes easy for you. If your heart leans toward one option with peace, that's often a sign. You may repeat istikhara for up to 7 nights if unsure. Benefits of istikhara. Peace of mind. You feel comforted knowing Allah is guiding you. Protection from harm. Allah may turn you away from something harmful. Clarity in decision making. Your path becomes clearer and easier. Strengthens your iman, faith. You develop trust in Allah's will. Acceptance of Allah's decree. Even if things don't go your way, you are content knowing it's for your good. Tips. Always do istikhara with full trust in Allah. Avoid asking for multiple things in one istikhara, keep it focused on one issue. Consult with wise and pious people after istikhara if you still feel uncertain.
Tahajjud is a deeply spiritual voluntary prayer performed in the last third of the night. It is one of the most beloved acts of worship in Islam and was a regular practice of the Prophet Muhammad. How to pray Tahajjud, step by step. 1. Intention, niyat. Make the intention in your heart that you are praying Tahajjud for the sake of Allah. 2. Sleep first, optional but preferred. It is sunnah to sleep for a portion of the night and then wake up to pray. However, it is still valid to pray Tahajjud without sleeping if you're awake throughout the night. 3. Time for Tahajjud. Begins after Isha and continues until far dawn. Best time, the last third of the night, more blessings. Example. If Maghrib is at 7 p.m. and far is at 4 a.m. Total night, 9 hours last third, from 1:30 a.m. to 4 a.m. 4. How many rakats? Minimum, 2 rakats. No maximum, but the Prophet often prayed 8 rakats and then 3 rakats witr. You pray 2 rakats at a time, like normal sunnah prayer, and end with witr. 5. How to pray each 2 rakats, like regular salah. For each 2 rakat unit, start with takbir, Allahu Akbar. Read Surah Al-Fatiha. Then read any other surah or verses. Continue like normal salah. Ruku. Sujud. Tashahhud after second rakah. End with salam. 6. End with witr prayer, highly recommended. Witr is prayed in odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, etc. The Prophet often prayed 3 rakats witr after Tahajjud. Tips. Keep a short surah if you're starting, like Surah Ikhlas, Falak, Nas. Try to wake up 30 to 45 minutes before Far to pray. Make dua in sujud and after your prayer. It's a powerful time for acceptance. Dua after Tahajjud. Tahajjud is a special time when Allah comes closest to His servant. Raise your hands and ask for your needs, forgiveness, guidance, peace, and Jannah. Is there anyone to ask me so I may grant him? Sahi Muslim,